Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Sayyid Abdurrahman. I am student of grade 8, Idealing in School Doha, Qatar. In my previous video, we discussed on the chapter mensuration, the exercise 11.1 question number 2. And today we are going to discuss on the same chapter, the exercise 11.1, the question number 3. Now let's begin. In this question, we have asked the shape of garden is rectangular in the middle and two semicircular at the ends are shown in the diagram. Now in this diagram, I have drawn a rough diagram here. There is a rectangle in the question. They have given an information about the rectangle and two semicircles covering it. Now, two semicircles covering it. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. Now, imagine any garden near your house or the garden which you have visited, and it will be like this, at this shape. So, what we have to do is we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle and the two semicircles for finding the whole garden perimeter and area. Then the information of rectangle given here is length of rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 meters. Now 3.5 and 3.5 are the halves of the semicircles, two semicircles. Now, from where did we got this 20? The 20 is actually the whole length of the rectangle. I mean the whole shape. So, the 7 is the breadth, but we have to find it first. So, what we did is length of the rectangle. We did 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 as per the question. Then, when we have to solve the bracket before subtracting them. So what we did is 20 minus 7, because 3.5 plus 3.5 is equals to 7. So 20 minus 7 is equals to 30. Now we have found the breadth of the rectangle, which is 7 meters. And now what we have to do is, when we have found it, we have found the breadth, and now we have to find the area of the rectangle, so which is 13 into 7, because when we subtracted 20 minus 7, it's the only length of rectangle, and the 7 is breadth. And say me in the comments what is the area of rectangle. That is L into B. And what we have to do is the length into breadth. So 7 into 30 we have to do. And now when we did this, so we have found the 91 meters square. The calculation of both. And how we got 91? As I said, 13 into 7. Now what we have to do when we found the 91 meters square, the perimeter of the rectangular part, equal to 2 into L plus B, which is the perimeter of the rectangle. 2 into L plus B. So what is the length given here? It's 13, and the breadth is 7. We don't have to go for the final result, which is 91 meters square. It's for the later use. So what we have to do is takes 13 plus 7, which is 13 is breadth and length, and 7 is the perimeter breadth. And what we have to do is first add this 13 plus 7, because what we have to do is solve the bracket before for closing it, and which is equal to 2 into 20. And when we multiply them both, we will get the answer 40 meter. Now the radius of each semicircle is equals to the 3.5 meter. 3.5. each semicircle. Then area of both semicircles is equals to 2 into half 2 into 1 by 2 pi r square, which is the area of both semicircles. Okay, now what is pi r square? What is pi first of all? Pi is actually the value of 22 by 7, which I have written here, 22 by 7. Now what we have to do is the radius. What is the radius? The radius is 3.5, because what is radius first of all? Radius is the half of a circle. I just stopped because Maghrib Azan was going on. So now let's continue. So I was saying about the radius. The radius was 3.5, because the half of the now what is radius? In circle, it is only the half of diameter. Diameter is the one which separates the circle. But now it's only the semicircle, so we don't need to use diameter, because radius is enough to for making half of the semicircle. So it's 3.5. Now 22 by 7 into 3.5 plus 3.5 into 3.5, because it is square. So square means 3.5 into 3.5. Now 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. Now how we got this 35 by 10? This was got by converting this 3.5 into fractions. Now when I simplified them, I got the 22 by 11. The 11 was converted by this 10. We are dividing them both together, 22 and 10 by 2. So 10 and 22 are divided both together. So this will be 5 and this will be 11. Then what we are doing is cutting this 7 and 35 together. The 7 will be converted into 1, because 7 into 5, so it will be written as 5. Again into 37. Now what we did is the 5 which we have got here, we cutted this and cutted this. So 5 into 5 into 7 is equal to 35. That's why I wrote the 7 here. And now when we will multiply the whole result, we will get 38 by 10. And we have to convert this 38 by 10 into the decimals. Now what we have got is 38.5 meters square. Now the perimeter of both semicircles, semicircular part, which is 2 pi r. The perimeter is 2 pi r, right? So which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5, because the radius is 3.5 as per the question. Now 2 will be cutted again in the by the 22 by 7. Now 2 will be cutted and 22 will convert into 11, and 7 will be converted into 1. Because why? Because this 35 is cutted. Now we cutted this as we did here. We cutted this 5 into by 7 and this 10 by 2. Now we got 22 meters, which is equal to 91. Because where is the 91? As I said in the okay, so where we got 91? We got 91 here. As I said, we will keep it for the further use. And 91 meters square I kept here for the use of here, 91. And the thing which we got here, 38.5. Now we are going to add them both. Now 91 plus the 38.5, which is equal to 129.5 meters square. Now in the final result, the 40 plus 22. Now where we got 40? 40 we got the perimeter. Now they are saying 40, find the perimeter and area. We have found the perimeter, area, which is 129.5 meters square. Now we have to find the perimeter, which is still left. Now the perimeter is of the rectangle is 40 meter, and the perimeter of two semicircles is 22 meters. which is equal to 40 plus 22 is equal to 62 meters. The Maghrib Azan was going on, that's why I stopped now. Let's pray and then we will continue on the question number 4. Thank you.